Greetings to one and all. A very warm good morning to everyone. I, Hitanshi Arora, host of Fairgaze Modern United Nation, welcome you all to the orientation session of BHIS Fairgaze MUN. The orientation program is organized by Fairgaze in association with Billabong High International School, Gujarat. Fairgaze is a leading school-focused media and an ecosystem for holistic development. We are delighted to announce that Billabong High International School, together with Fairgaze Media, is organizing BHIS Fairgaze MUN online on 24th July 2021, where each of you can witness a life-changing journey. As you all may be unaware of modern United Nations and its functioning, that's the reason we have organized this orientation program especially for you all. This session will be graced by a very renowned Munnar, Mr. Shashwat Puri. He is well-known name in the MUN circuit in India, a popular and a recognized chair of Fairgaze MUNs. He is doing model UN from last 5 years and chaired over 20 MUNs. He has won more than 10 Best Delegate Awards in different committees and MUNs across India. He loves to meet people and talk about new things. He has also successfully organized a lot of MUNs and is a great example of leadership. We welcome you, sir, and happy to have you. The stage is all yours.
So, in modern United Nations, there is a simulation of United Nations. Like we used to represent countries, we used to discuss the problems, and we come up with the solutions. This is what we do in modern United Nations. Keep this thing in your mind that if you are doing modern United Nations, it's for your benefit only. Because you will present your points, you will say something about your country, you will say something which you have researched, and because of that you will gain some confidence. In modern United Nations, you don't have to cram anything. रटना नहीं है कुछ भी. Like you might be thinking that I stated research earlier, but it doesn't mean that you have to learn everything. Like if you have researched 2 pages, then you have to learn those 2 pages. No, you can see those 2 pages and speak up. The thing which matter in MUN is your research, not the cramming part. Like you don't have to cram anything. You just have to speak what you have written there. You can directly speak up. We'll also take example in the coming up session. So
other from normal studies, I like to swim, and mostly I like to play basketball.
Like to play basketball. Okay, nice. Now Reet. Reet, are you here?
Yes. Apart from studies, I like to do cycling and go out for swimming.
All right. Rest of the people, please unraise your hand because I'll not be able to recognize everyone right now. Thank you very much. You raise your hand. I will try to recognize everyone. Thank you very much. Now, there will be a particular agenda. If my cursor is visible to you, just please let me know once again.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So, agenda is the topic of the MUN. Let's say there can be a particular topic in MUN. Like, let's say the topic we are taking right now, for just an example, is human rights. Like human right is a topic. So human right topic will be our agenda for this particular MUN. Okay, we are just taking an example. We are just taking example for this. Now, modern United Nations, we all have to speak the opening speech, introductory speech. Fine. Introductory speech is GSL, General Speakers List. Like why you are coming in MUN to present your points. How you can present your points? By giving speeches, by asking questions, right? So the name of the speech, the name of the introductory speech is General Speakers List, is GSL, and the default timing of GSL is 90 seconds. Fine. Now, that you will be aware about the facts which are happening in the world. Like, did you know that what is happening in Israel and Palestine? I think you know. Did you know that what's happening around the globe? Yes, you people know. If you people know that it's edge for you, like you will perform in MUN more nicely. And even if you don't know, yes, it's a kind of debate, but you have to present your point. Fine. You will be recognized by the executive board. You don't have to speak like this, like I want to speak, so I will speak. No, like not like this. Executive board will recognize you. That delegate of Pakistan, you have to speak now. After that, delegate of India have to speak, and in a sequence there'll be a particular sequence, and in that sequence you have to speak. Fine. This is the particular rules and procedure. I'll be telling you about rules and procedure in more deeper way as well. Now. My second point. Now coming to my second point.
The sentence that Mumbai is the capital of India was factually incorrect.
And you have to say the correct statement as well.
New Delhi is the capital of India.
Fine. There is a good thing about Fairgaze. Fairgaze always used to recognize good executive board members. Like they used to appoint good executive board members. They used to appoint good training members like Hitanshi ma'am and other people as well. So if you are participating with Fairgaze, there will be value of your certificate as well. And of course, if we'll keep aside the certificate, this is the secondary thing. The primary thing is your confidence, your learning, your leadership quality. You will gain everything from here.
To thank the principal ma'am, Miss Preeti ma'am, to encourage their students and help us to be a part of this conference. And ma'am, if you are there, could we just have some words from you?
Yes. Good afternoon and good afternoon, students. And thank you to the team from Fairgaze for conducting this kind of awareness workshop for MUN. Yes, most of our students, the senior students have already attended MUNs, so they know what an MUN is. But I'm glad that we are giving an opportunity to our grade 6 and 7 students also. So I'm sure they're all very excited, and I could hear, since I was there throughout, I could hear a lot of queries coming from the younger students and for the first timers. Children, it's a very good platform, and it is being conducted by our school, by Billabong, and it is all online. You don't even have to go anywhere. You just have to be there online, and the entire training would be given to you. You would be told what to do. You will have your mentors, you will have your group in charges. So don't worry. All that we need from you is, yes, a willingness to take part and to do something very different and compete at that level. And there are a lot of advantages. There's leadership skills, there is oratory skills, there is interaction, because you may have members not from Billabong but from other schools also in your group. So that gives you a lot of exposure and also gives you collaboration, a kind of a space to collaborate. So thank you, Fairgaze team. And I'm sure the students are very excited. And if I'm not wrong, we are having another orientation. Yes,
ma'am. Yeah, we will be having 2 more sessions for them.
Okay. So children, can I see a thumbs up? Yes, I'm sure you got a lot of information and something different. And we've planned it in a way that they do not, interfere with your studies in terms of the exams and in terms of your unit tests. So they have all been scheduled at a time when you all are relatively free and completely at ease, and to work upon your MUN participation. Okay, because we know that it needs a lot of research, it needs some practice also, but we are all there to help you out. So thank you, Fairgaze team, and thank you, students. Yes, over to you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. So thank you all the students, principal ma'am, Shashwat sir, and the co-host Diksha ma'am, who was a part of the conference and helped us to pass on the chats in the message. And thank you everybody to be a part of this conference, of this orientation session. Now we hope that most of you join us on 24th July to have a new flashing journey. And if you have any doubts, you can contact Fairgaze or even your school. If they won't be able to clear the query, they will forward to Fairgaze and we will revert you within 2-3 working days.